How to delete a calendar event on Android. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you delete a calendar event on Android. To delete a calendar event on Android, you want to open up your Google Calendar first thing, and when you open up your calendar, this is where the interface will see. You want to go ahead and tap on the event you wish to delete. Alright, so I am gonna go ahead and click on add event first of all and click on the save button. Now what I'm gonna do is first here tap on the menu bar and then look for event on this section. So here you want to go ahead and tap on the menu bar or just go to look for the event. Just long press on the event here and tap on the three dot icon and click on delete. So this is the way you could go ahead and tap, or this is the way you could go ahead and delete a calendar event. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.